So in this video, what we're going to be doing is something a little bit different, something I never do on this channel. I'm going to be teaching you how to make this little boom box out of Legos. So you could see it's a Trolls boom box, because I have the perfect colors for it. It's like you can rotate this, you could spin this. Yeah, it's really fun. Then you can move these at the antennae. And yeah, and the back's just like this. But yeah, I'm gonna teach you how to make this. So what you're gonna first need to do, you're gonna need to grab these two, this block. It's this one, a 2x6 block, and it's light blue. One second, I just gotta. Yeah. So it's this box. Alright, and now next what you're gonna do is you're gonna need these two 1x2 blocks, and they're purple. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna take each of these, then put them right on the sides. Now your next pieces you're gonna need are 4 of these. They're 2x2 over here, and there's 2 on the top, and then the rest are all just smooth. You're gonna need these gray, 4 of these ones. Okay, so sorry, I'm just gonna mix them up. So you're gonna do with these, take one of them, put them over here. Next one, put it right over here. Flip it over. Put another one over here on the back side, and another one like this. Yeah. And now, by the way, if you guys hear me rustling on the side, I just have a box of I have a box of Legos which I'm shuffling to get the pieces for. Okay. Finally I got it. Alright. Your next piece is gonna need 2 of these gray ones. They're 1x2 and they have this hole in the middle. You're just gonna plop these onto the 2 sides like this. It's itchy. Okay. Next, you're gonna need 3 of these. These blocks. So on this side, what you're gonna do, you're gonna take 1, plop, 2, plop, and 3, plop. So it looks like this. So make sure this side, the other side is blank, and the other side has those blue things right there. Next, you're gonna need this piece again. You're gonna need 2 of these pieces. These are vents thingies, sewage, I guess you could say. And then you'll need this air vent looking thing. And last, you're gonna need this piece, this remote piece. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna take 1, plop it on the top, like this remote piece, plop it on the top. Put this vent piece right on the bottom. And put these two sewage things on the sides, like this. So it should look like that. Now you're going to do with this, you're going to plop it onto the side that you did not add the purple thing on. And it should look like this. You can see it's already forming into like the boombox looking type. Next, you're going to need 3 of these like transparent hot pink. They're like the flat ones. They're 1 by 2. You need 4 of these. You're just going to plop them on the top. There you go. Just going to quickly fix this. There you go. Now it should look like that. Next, you're gonna need 2 of these pieces, like the it's like this. You can connect it, and there's like a thing on the top where you can also connect other Lego pieces. And you're just gonna plop them into these holes. You guys need to rewind, or if you want to see what that block looks like again, it looks like this. So you're going to plop this one on this side. Alright, then they should both be in place. Next, you're going to need 2 of these small, like, pink coin looking things. You're going to plop only 1, okay? So this part, I want you to be very careful with this part. You're going to plop 1 onto this side. Like the side where that big yellow button, like, is facing away from. And on the other side, it's facing to that big yellow button. You're going to plop this piece, this one. You're going to plop it onto the side, and you're going to take your other little pink coin and pop it on that. There you go. Like that. So you can like spin them. Yeah. Next, you're going to need another one of these pieces. You're going to plop it on the top. Right here. Like next, you're going to need this piece, like this flat piece. Yellow. Plop it down here in the middle of that. You're going to take these 2, like these flat ones with like the connector on the front. Plop these on the sides. Next, you're going to need 2 of these pieces. I'm going to plop them onto the sides right here, like this. And then for our last step, you're going to need one of these. Pop this right over here where like these 2 holes are. Like this. Like that. And then you're going to take 2 of these pieces, plop one right here, like this. And there you have it. There's your little boombox. So bring my other one. There you go. 2 boomboxes. They're really cute. They're like these small little boomboxes. And you can like put them on the sides of like a stage. You can put them on the sides like this. You can put your Lego character right over here and just pretend like they're dancing with the music right here. So yeah. I really hope you guys enjoyed that video. I hope it was helpful. And I hope you guys like your new invention. And yeah. Very quick and very easy. Only took about 10 minutes long. I mean, for me, since I had to show you the pieces, it only took 10 minutes long. But if you were just to like do it like without like no brain or no video, nothing, you can easily fit them, and it would probably be done in like 2 minutes at most. Yeah, they're super small. You can carry them. They're not big, they're not bulky, they're not anything, so. Yeah, unfortunately they won't like play music, but you can put them next to like a computer or something, play music on that and pretend like it's playing from these. And yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, smack that like button, subscribe to the channel, and before I end the video, YouTube is telling me that only 40%, or like around 40% of the people watching this video or watching my channel are not subscribed. You don't want to be part of that 40%, do you? So yeah, please make sure you subscribe. It would literally mean the world to me. You know, we're trying to hit that road to 100 subscribers. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope you like the little boom boxes. Hope you could play around with them. And I'm sorry if you don't have any of the pieces in the video. But then again, you could just do, like, you can, like, sub them out and, like, make them create, like, your own creative way. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Bye!